So these are my counters here, and this one is a JK flip-flop down counter from 15 to 0. And as you can see here, counts from F, E, D, C, B, A, all the way down to 0. And this one is an up counter from 0 to 15 using D flip-flops. So it'll count all the way up to 15 or F and then reset to 0. The next one is a mod 8 up counter from 2 to 7. It's truncated here. So it counts to 7 and then resets to 2. And then my final one is the PLD version of my word. And I don't have my PLD right now because of the bad weather and us being at home. We can't really use it. But it has this one counts from 0 to 4 because my word bread has 5 letters in it. And then as you can see here, it has all the pinouts and the inputs.